Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Firefox, remove what's new from main menu. Click Open menu. Type about Calan config in browser search bar. Click Accept and Risk and Continue. Type browser.messaging. Click Toggle to change false. Close and open Firefox. What's new is disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.